Gemini 3.1 Pro is insane. Google just dropped Gemini 3.1 Pro, and the internet is losing its mind.
This thing is twice as smart as the last version, not a little better. Twice.
It thinks, it reasons, it figures stuff out like a real person. And it handles text, images, audio, video, and code all at the same time. No extra tools, no switching apps, one model, everything. On benchmarks right now, it is beating the competition, and it costs less to run. Google went full beast mode with this one.
I am going to show you exactly what it does, why it matters, and how to use it to grow your business.
Real prompts, real examples, stuff you can copy and use today. By the end of this video, you are going to know more about Gemini 3.1 Pro than 99% of people out there. So stay with me because this one is genuinely crazy. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let him know what you think of this one.
Okay, so Gemini 3.1 Pro, Google just released it, and I want to break it down as simply as possible because there is a lot of noise out there and not a lot of signal. I am going to cut through all of that and just tell you what actually matters and what you can actually use. Deal? Let's do it.
What is Gemini 3.1 Pro? Gemini 3.1 Pro is Google's most powerful AI model right now. It is their flagship, their best. And this version, 3.1, is a major step up from version 3.0. The headline number is this: more than 2x better at reasoning. That is not a small upgrade. That is a completely different level of thinking. What does that actually mean? It means this model does not just answer questions. It works through problems. It plans. It connects ideas. It thinks step by step like a smart person who actually understands what you're asking, not just a tool that pattern matches to give you a generic answer. And it is not just text. Gemini 3.1 Pro handles text, images, audio, video, and code all together in one model natively. No extra plugins, no gluing tools together. One model does all of it at once. That is a big deal. And most people do not realize how rare that actually is. Why it matters? Here is why this changes things. Most AI tools are good at one thing: write me a blog post, generate some code, summarize this document. Fine. But Gemini 3.1 Pro connects the dots between all of it. You can give it an image and ask a question about it. You can drop in a long document and ask it to reason through a strategy. You can show it a competitor's page and ask it to build you a better one. That is a completely different category of useful. And on top of that, the context window on this model is around 1 million tokens. That is enormous. You can paste in an entire book, a full code base, hours of transcripts, and it holds all of it. It remembers all of it. It works across all of it without losing the thread. For anyone doing research, writing long-form content, or building AI systems into their business, that is massive. Before we get into the demos, if you are watching this and thinking, okay, this is cool, but how do I actually plug this into my business and make it work? That is exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It is a community and resource hub built for entrepreneurs who want to use AI tools like Gemini 3.1 Pro to automate, systemize, and scale their businesses. Real workflows, real templates, real systems you can actually use. Not theory, practical stuff. If that sounds like you, link is in the description. Go check it out, then come back and we will keep going. Real world demos. Now this is the part I love. Let me show you how to actually use Gemini 3.1 Pro with real prompts you can steal right now. I am going to use the AI Profit Boardroom as the example because it is real, it is practical, and it shows you exactly how you would do this in your own business. First example, content strategy. Let's say you want to grow the AI Profit Boardroom's YouTube channel and get more subscribers. You open Gemini 3.1 Pro and you type, "You are a YouTube growth strategist." Create a 90-day content plan for a community called AI Profit Boardroom. It helps entrepreneurs use AI automation to grow their businesses. The goal is to grow subscribers and build authority. Include video topics, hooks, and a posting schedule. That's it. And what comes back is not a generic list. It reasons through what that specific audience wants to watch, what topics will grow the channel, and how to structure the calendar. That would take a strategist hours. Gemini does it in seconds. The second example, sales copy. You want more people to join the AI Profit Boardroom. You type, Write a high converting landing page for a community called AI Profit Boardroom. It has 40,000 members who use AI automation to grow their businesses. Speak to entrepreneurs who feel behind on AI and want a simple system to stay ahead. Use short, punchy sentences and focus on the transformation. Gemini does not just write words. It thinks through the buyer psychology, structures the page properly, and gives you copy you can actually use. Third example, this is where the multimodal stuff gets wild. You take a screenshot of a competitor's landing page, you upload it to Gemini 3.1 Pro, then you type, analyze this landing page, what is working, what is missing. Now write a better version for the AI Profit Boardroom that would outperform this one. It looks at the image, it reads the content, it reasons through the strategy, then it builds you a better version. That is not just AI, that is like having a full creative team in one tool. Where to get it and how to start, right? So where do you actually access Gemini 3.1 Pro? If you are not a developer, start with the Gemini app. Go to gemini.google.com. If you are on the Pro or Enterprise tier, you will get access. That is the easiest entry point. If you are a developer, Google AI Studio is where you want to be. You can test the model, use the API, and build it into your own products. Vertex AI is for teams and larger businesses building AI into their workflows at scale. And if you work in the terminal, there is Gemini CLI 2. Pick the one that fits where you are right now and just start. Do not overthink it. One use case, one workflow, see what it does, then build from there. What is coming next? Here is the thing that gets me genuinely excited about this. Gemini 3.1 Pro is not just a standalone model. Google is weaving it into everything. Search, Notebook LM, Workspace, the tools millions of people use every day are about to get this reasoning power built directly in. Imagine Google Docs understanding the full context of your business and helping you write with that in mind. Imagine search that actually reasons through your query instead of just matching keywords. That is where this is heading, and it is coming faster than most people think. The businesses that understand this now and start building AI workflows today are going to be so far ahead of the ones who wait. All right, 2 things before you go, and I will keep it short. First, if you want to go deeper with tools like Gemini 3.1 Pro and learn how to plug them into a real business system, join the AI Profit Boardroom.